message yakho ukuthi iTumela Nkhune njengoba kade celebrate namhlanje
for you iTumela Nkhune ngizakuza ngathatha nesikisho for you iTumela Nkhune ukwenza umsebenzi oncomekayo lapha kumakhosi and ukhune siyam appreciate I so wish ukuthi experience anayo angayidlulisela lapha kwabo Bryce Vuma khona ukuthi nabo baqhubeleke lapho astophe khona so far ukhune usebenze kahle and asikhalazi next le 25 years ukhune beloka evimba benza umsebenzi okahle oncomekayo and siloko simsupport eziba siyazi ukuthi usaqhubeleka nokusupport namanje and sifuna nje ukuthi ashare experience yakhe nalabafana basakhulayo then kuzoba
ngamanye amazwi you are saying in one word kumele abe coach
exactly my point ukhune kumele ukuthi bamuzise lapha kwi coach yabo goalkeeper aze lapha azokuthi azotrain ama goalkeepers so that akhona ukuthi anikisane ngeexperience umuntu ofana nokhune osebenze for 25 years amanuvese umlahle nje ukhune amanuvese umlahle nje and lendi lokuyenzeka kakhulu ku Chiefs ama legend we Chiefs ubona awusayazi ukuthi iphelele ku so for ukhune because uyabona bonke baningi and ukatsando usho something last ku Robert Marawa
what ufuba ikho what uzobuya after 4 years
uthi khona lezinto imessage yakhe beka ipresident athi guys sifuna ama players azodlalela ibench just like about iTumela Nkhune uyazi ukuthi mawubona i92,000 ise-FNB Stadium kunabantu abasekhaya ababheka iChiefs abayithanda kunabantu abadala abathanda iChiefs so udlalela ibench not udlalela i-social media ukuthi mina ngishaya istyle then mangiphuma la nginama followers amangaphi ngithenda kangapi lento ayisebenzeli singamakhosi yabona
exactly so yabonga kakhulu no okay you wanted to say something
no I'm done just saying we salute you
sure kune one way
mina ukhune iwish yami ku-management ngiwisho ukuthi ukhune angayindawo ukhune abamnikeze abamfake lapho ku-technical team abe goalkeeper coach wethu siyamjinga iservice yakhe sifumele ukuthi simuhonore futhi ngiyabonga
no sithemba ukuthi management ezokuzwa lapha siyabonga kakhulu mfethu
then I will say for message for ukhune we thank him a lot and ukhune has been there for us for a long time. Sina Telkom Lockout, Sina Nedbank Cup, Sina everything, and we wish with management isizwe imgcine no matter uzoba i-goalkeeper coach uzoba yini siyabonga.
Nice message, thank you very much. Good point. Last point, what is your message to iTumela Nkhune njengoba simcelebrate?
iTumela Nkhune is our best goalkeeper. Samthanda Mpana is the best one in South Africa ngisasho namanje. Akekho goalkeeper okafana no iTumela Nkhune. Mzansi Sifane Mzansi number 1. And kuzohlezi kunjalo until umntana azazalwe. Kuzoba nomntana ozozala akekho omunye goalkeeper. Sorry William Nyaxolisa mntaka baba ngikhuluma ngani. Mari Mpana sorry iTumela Nkhune is the best goalkeeper. Wavimba ku World Cup, wavimba bo Torres, wavimba bamazi bonke. Ngiyamvuma iTumela Nkhune ngiyathanda Mpana ukuthi inhliziyo yami. Thank you bafethu ngithanda lonke namafana ami. Viva iTumela Nkhune, viva.
Mhozi message you have to Khune okamora orange.
Khune is the king of South African. Khune is always be the king. Khune is the other person in the ring who got some replace. You understand? Yes, I'm sorry about Mfano Williams. Khune mfethu Mzansi number 1 forever. Mfano la UDPL hina lel ring lekase to replace him. Mfano la Ram Lebrisa, and then it will always be iTumela Nkhune. We won't have another iTumela Nkhune. Thank you Makosa Matle.
Thank you very much.
For Khune, guys, you know what, that guy gemusapotile salentwana, understand? And that guy o dirile gore Kaizer Chiefs engeli trophy tse ngata re moratile go tloga bonyaneng. I wish Kaizer Chiefs Pascal Mlatla as di
ba mo di ekhoshara
in fact a lot of the ex brother Kaizer Chiefs ha ona le motho mo la bench lo moane
exactly
ba rakile ka fela ba tsamana ka fela. I wish Khune ebe goalkeeper coach mfetho a tla rute ba fana ba go ntša di passes tsa dintšhago le go mashela backline a gae mfetho. Khune mfetho re moratela gore they talk umashela backline wa understand even wa butsa monna ha re monna ha ka ira mistake wa go kitimela bo tsare monna nturi ya ngwira mara so be ka mo khomfet re batla goalkeeper like cool and fit
Ora le wa mkhotsi. Thank you very much. All the best next season
thank you mkhotsi and good work and mereko ra rata mkhotsi tsela pele gole then re support mereko wa gago.
No, thank you very much mkhotsi. Thank you. So i-message yakho for Itumeleng Khune ungathini kuyena as edlale 25 years lapha ku Chiefs?
I-message yami le ngayindlulisa ku-tema fans wethu kakhulu. Bengifisa mina ngathi lo mjita bangamthatha bamente training i-goalkeeper trainer coach. Bamthathe just bangamlahli bamthathe bambeke lapha abe trainer coach. Singajabula kakhulu sima fans.
No, ngiyabonga kakhulu mfethu. Thank you very much. Uhambe kahle mfethu eMpumalanga ubabikele lapha. Next season hopefully nizoba grand
Ngiyabonga Mr. Ngcobo.
Sharp ngiyabonga.
Nawe ube kahle ne.
Thank you bhuti.
Sharp.
To Itumeleng Khune, who is a South African #1. We want to say thank you to you, Mr. Khune. Thank you very much. Well done. A great job, well done, my brother. You are a loyal servant of this football. You, even through thick and thin, when days were good and when it were bad. But you are one of the most players that have been so true and loyal to this
team,
to the team and to
South
the country.
Africa,
To the country, So I wish we as supporters could appreciate people like that, irrespective of which emblem, which team do you come from. We need to support and embrace things that as South Africans we must be proud. We are so proud of you, my brother. Thank you so much, Khune. Keep it up, and for the new coming stars, I know they'll be looking up to you, my brother. You make a mistake, we forgive you. Everybody, there is nobody who's perfect. So forget about the past, and for now, I think you'll be on the administration department. So please be a leader, show the patriotism, and I know you know how much passionate Kaizer Chiefs supporters are. So my brother, all of the best in your future endeavors.
Thank you very much. Station wala sale, station from Kukuza.
Thank you.